Hello friends, today I wanted to show you how to replace the air filter for Mclaren 570, any Mclaren 570, I mean GTS, or I believe that the 720 is the same. First you have to take off the wheel. As you seen, you have 5 screws. After that you have to pull it out, and right now I'm gonna take off the carpet liner. 1 2 3 4 5 6, as you see, all screws here. Okay, let me take it out. Okay, and these bottoms, as you see, this section. After I remove, I'm gonna show you where is the filter and how to replace. I'm gonna replace by performance filter, BSM, the best quality one. Okay, I just removed the carpet. You have 3 screws, 1 2 and 3 in the back. You have to remove this, and after that the filter inside of the box. I will show you. Okay, after you remove the screws, as you've seen, these and other one, you have to pull out. Okay, this is the filter. Okay, just let's see. Okay, this is the old filter. I mean, it's clean, it's not dirty, but just I purchased BMC filter. They say this is much better, much high performance. I'm not sure. Just I'm gonna, this is per oiled. I mean, they say have oil on it. I'm not sure. Okay. Okay, I installed, should be okay. And this is rewash filter. I mean, after 1 year, every 1 year you can wash and oil it and put in there. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on next video. Okay, this is the OMA filter. I mean, came from Mclaren. I mean, paper filter. And this is BMC filter. As you see, this is per oiled filter. This is not. Okay, the same. I'm gonna install this one, and after that let's see what is the performance.